Hi everyone, welcome to this House Tech Talk. Winter is coming. Has your golf cart also entered rest mode in the garage? Did you simply park your car, pull the key, and assume everything is fine? But you may not realize that in the cold, your lithium battery is quietly draining, taking away your next season's range. Worse yet, a single incorrect action can lead to irreversible, permanent damage. In this video, we'll talk about the heightened dangers lithium batteries face in cold weather, and the best ways to store and maintain them. Let's start with the first problem, capacity drop. In winter, lithium battery capacity can drop noticeably. That means shorter runtime. You might notice your cart struggling mid-run. It's important to clarify this capacity drop is usually temporary and reversible. Cold temperatures significantly reduce the electrolyte activity inside lithium cells, slowing down the electrochemical reactions and reducing available energy. For example, a battery that runs 8 hours at room temperature may only deliver 70 to 80% of that near freezing. But once the temperature rises again, the capacity usually recovers. The second problem is over-discharge during storage. Many think that when the car is parked, the battery doesn't drain, but lithium batteries still experience a slight self-discharge, even when not in use. The risk of self-discharge is higher in cold temperatures. If the battery discharges too much and the voltage drops below the protection threshold, it can damage the battery life and potentially cause it to enter a sleep mode, making it impossible to revive. The third and the most dangerous yet often overlooked, charging lithium batteries in cold temperatures. Charging a lithium battery in cold temperatures can cause irreversible damage to the cells. It's not just about less energy. It can disrupt the internal chemical structure, directly shorten the battery's overall lifespan, and even pose safety risks. So, remember, the key to using lithium batteries in winter is to focus on properly managing and storage location and charging method. And how should we handle battery storage in winter? The answer is simpler than you think. First, manage the storage charge. Don't store the battery fully charged or fully empty. We recommend charging to around 60% before winter storage, then recharge to about 50 to 60% every 3 months. This charge level is ideal for long-term storage of lithium batteries, as it prevents battery damage caused by being too low while avoiding unnecessary loss from being too high during storage, laying a foundation for normal use. Second, store the battery in a temperature-stable location. The ideal range is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, as this range minimizes the impact of cold temperatures on the cells. If your garage or other storage area may drop below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the battery should be removed from the device, such as a golf cart, and stored in a cool, dry indoor location to provide a stable and suitable environment. Third, and this is critical, during lithium battery storage, it is essential to ensure the battery is completely disconnected from the connected device, such as a golf cart, the charger, and any external monitoring interfaces. This prevents accidental low-level discharge during storage, which could reduce performance and lifespan, and eliminates potential safety risks from connected devices. Finally, a reminder, don't ignore the battery all winter. Check the voltage about once a month and recharge if it gets too low. At the end of winter, before using the lithium battery for the first time in spring, please fully charge the battery using the provided LiFePO4 charger. Next, perform a quick visual inspection of the battery terminals and casing for any oxidation, looseness, damage, or deformation, and address any issues found. However, for many users, the real challenge isn't knowing, it's doing this consistently. That's why more and more lithium batteries are designed with winter storage in mind, helping to reduce maintenance challenges through hardware improvements. For example, this new 48-volt 100 amp-hour lithium battery from DC House is specially designed for cold environment. To sum up, winter itself isn't a problem. The battery's readiness is what matters. Choosing a battery designed for winter makes long-term ownership much easier. Thanks for watching this House Tech Talk. Subscribe, like the video, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments. Thank you.